TradingLite versus Quantower. Which trading platform wins? Choosing the right trading platform can completely change how you analyze markets and execute trades without unnecessary complexity. TradingLite offers intuitive heat maps while Quantower delivers advanced multi-broker connectivity. TradingLite and Quantower are powerful trading platforms designed for active traders. The core difference lies in TradingLite's focus on visual market depth and heat maps, while Quantower emphasizes multi-asset trading with extensive broker integration and advanced charting tools. TradingLite is a market analysis platform centered on visualizing order flow and liquidity through heat maps. It works by aggregating real-time market depth data and displaying it as color-coded heat maps, helping traders identify key support and resistance areas quickly. Its strength lies in simplifying complex auditable data, making it easier to spot market sentiment and potential price moves. TradingLite supports futures, crypto, and stock markets with a user-friendly interface focused on speed and clarity. However, it has limited order execution features and fewer broker integrations, meaning it's primarily a tool for market analysis rather than full trade management. The ideal user is a trader who values visual order flow insights and wants to enhance decision-making without overwhelming technical indicators or extensive trading tools. Quantower is a professional-grade trading platform designed for multi-asset and multi-broker trading. It offers advanced charting, customizable workspaces, and direct order execution integrated with dozens of brokers worldwide. Quantower supports stocks, futures, forex, options, and cryptocurrencies, making it versatile for diverse portfolios. Its strength is in combining powerful technical analysis tools with seamless trade execution, including algorithmic trading support and depth of market features. The platform's modular design allows traders to tailor their workspace and automate strategies. However, its complexity can be overwhelming for beginners, and some advanced features require paid licenses. Quantower is best suited for experienced traders who need a comprehensive platform to manage multiple markets and brokers in one place, with strong emphasis on execution speed and technical analysis. When comparing TradingLite and Quantower, the choice depends on your trading style and needs. TradingLite excels in visualizing market depth with heat maps, ideal for traders focused on order flow and liquidity without needing full trade execution. It's simpler and more intuitive but lacks multi-broker support and advanced order types. Quantower, on the other hand, provides a complete trading environment with broad broker connectivity, advanced charting, and execution capabilities. It suits traders managing multiple assets and requiring automation and customization. The trade-off is complexity and a steeper learning curve. For quick market insight and visual clarity, TradingLite stands out. For full-scale trading operations and technical analysis, Quantower offers unmatched flexibility. Choose TradingLite if you prioritize clear visual order flow analysis and want a straightforward platform focused on market depth without complex trade execution features. Quantower is the best choice for traders seeking a powerful, all-in-one platform with multi-broker support and advanced tools. It's ideal for managing diverse portfolios and executing trades efficiently. Ultimately, your trading goals will decide which platform fits you best.